Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over a question. So the question's in a blog comment right here. Ask the user to enter the brand phone. A valid response is either iPhone or other. Write an input validation loop that will require the user to enter either iPhone or other. Use a do-while loop. Assume the scanner object KB and the string brand has already been created. So we have an example output right here. So enter phone brand. The user entered Motorola and that gave an invalid. Enter iPhone or other, an input validation statement, and that user entered LG and then still said invalid, and after the user entered iPhone, the loop ended. So because everything has been declared, lines 12 through 20 is already taken care of for us, so we can ignore that. So a do-while loop is basically an inverted while loop. So I have an example of the formatting of a do-while loop. So first you have your do right here, and you always just put that before you start your do-while loop. And then you want a block of statements that you want to repeat while the condition is true. So the difference between a while and a do-while loop really is that after the while loop you have a semicolon ending the while loop in a do-while, but in while you do not have a semicolon. So with that information, let's go back to the problem. So first we want to ask the user to enter their phone brand. So right here in line 22 we have our do, and then we have our curly braces. Then in line 24 we have our statement that says enter phone brand, and we set brand equals to KB dot next line, allowing the user to enter their phone brand. So in our while statement, we want something to repeat, meaning that we want something to be true for this to repeat. So while phone brand dot equals a north case, which allows the user to enter iPhone or with a capital I or a lowercase I, it does not matter. While phone brand does not equal iPhone or other, we want a block of statements to repeat. So in correlation of the problem that is stated above, we want an input validation, meaning to ask the user again, to prompt the user to enter a phone brand, to ask the user to enter a phone brand again if it's not equal to iPhone or other. So we create an if statement. So we say if brand does not equal iPhone or other, and both are ignore case again to allow the user to enter it with a lowercase or uppercase letter. We want to display invalid because we want either iPhone or other, and that's the thing that we're accepting. So with that, let's go ahead and compile and run this to show. So enter phone brand. Let's say that I have a Android. It says invalid, enter phone brand. So let's see, I have an iPhone, and then the loop ended. But see, if the user enters Android, it will not allow the user to enter that, and will prompt them to enter the phone brand again.